It's snowing and raining. Mostly raining. If you look far away, it looks like snow.
I want to get one, but it always turns into water.
I know, it's like the sun's here somewhere hiding from us. Not like... Me too, but we don't have something that makes it cold. Only lies, they're cold. Oh! Yes.
At least it's some
Yes, but it's snowing a little. What? Our swing broke. Dun, dun, dun. So, if only we could catch one. But turns into,
instantly hot.
it turns into water.
For some reason.
Yes. It's like water doesn't want us to touch it. I mean ice.
There's
No.
some noodles here.
Yes.
It's nice, but
Look at that. You see it turns right there. Ice. And then right here.
water.
Water.
How is this possible?
How is this? Why? Why? If it was like this in Oklahoma, I would be so sad. Cause I've never seen snow in a long time.
We never. Not. I never. We never.
Okay, but it's so sad. A few